Exploring the phrase, to be stylish, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, to be stylish. This phrase is not just about fashion, but it's also about expressing yourself and understanding cultural nuances. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to be stylish in English. To be stylish is a phrase that often refers to someone who has a good sense of fashion or someone who dresses in a way that is considered attractive and trendy. But it's more than just about clothes. Being stylish can also mean having a distinctive and appealing way of doing things, whether it's in your personal life, work, or hobbies. Stylishness is often influenced by cultural and societal norms. What is considered stylish in one culture might be different in another. For example, bold and colorful patterns may be stylish in one part of the world, while minimalist and subdued colors may be preferred in another. It's fascinating to see how the concept of stylishness changes across different cultures. Interestingly, the phrase can also apply to language. When someone uses language in a clever, witty, or original way, we can say they are being stylish with their words. This is often seen in literature, poetry, and even in everyday conversation. Effective communication with a touch of personal flair can be seen as being stylish in language. A key part of being stylish is self-expression. It's about showing your personality and preferences through your choices. Whether it's in the way you dress, the way you decorate your home, or the way you speak, being stylish is a way to express who you are. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, to be stylish, and how it can apply to different aspects of life. Remember, being stylish isn't just about following trends. It's about expressing your unique self in a way that feels right to you. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring and expressing your style in English.